Hi guys, I just got a Costco package. I don't know what it is. It's in a big box though. Let's open it. Tell you. I'm really excited. It doesn't feel crazy heavy, but it's in a big box. So I'm like, what is it? It's an espresso machine! It's funny I took that out. Hold on. And it has a frother! Thanks, bud. Love you. This is so cool. I'm gonna put it. I'll show you where I'll put it. I'll put it over here. Because over there, I don't know if you can see, we have like a tea station. That's our tea station and the toaster. But what? Thanks, bud. Love you.